20 techniques to master the art of storytelling in marketing. Stories are powerful. They are a fundamental part of being human. Our brains are wired for stories. Storytelling is key in marketing because it allows us to connect with our audience on an emotional level. In this video, I'm going to share with you 20 techniques that can help you master the art of storytelling in marketing. 1. Find a hero. Every great story needs a hero. Find a central character that your audience can root for. 2. Identify the conflict. What's the problem that your hero is facing? This creates tension and keeps your audience engaged. 3. Create an emotional connection. People remember stories that make them feel something. Identify the emotions you want your audience to feel and make sure your story triggers them. 4. Craft a compelling opening. Your opening sets the tone for your story. Make it captivating and interesting to grab your audience's attention. 5. Use descriptive language. Paint a picture with your words. Use vivid language to help your audience visualize your story. 6. Use humor. Humor can make your story more memorable and relatable. Just make sure it's appropriate for your audience. 7. Use metaphors and analogies. Metaphors and analogies can help simplify complex ideas and make your story more accessible. 8. Use anecdotes. Anecdotes are short, personal stories that add authenticity to your message. 9. Make it relevant. Your story should be relevant to your audience. Use examples that they can relate to. 10. Use testimonials. Testimonials from satisfied customers can be a powerful storytelling tool. 11. Use visual aids. Images, videos, and other visual aids can help your story come alive. 12. Use suspense. Create suspense by withholding information or building up to a big reveal. 13. Have a clear message. Your story should have a clear message or moral that your audience can take away. 14. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your story. Keep it simple so that your audience can follow along easily. 15. Use repetition. Repeating key phrases or ideas can help your message stick in your audience's mind. 16. Use sound effects. Sound effects can create a more immersive experience for your audience. 17. Use a call to action. What do you want your audience to do after hearing your story? Include a clear call to action. 18. Use suspenseful music. Music can help create an emotional response in your audience and add to the overall impact of your story. 19. Use personal experiences. Sharing your personal experiences can create a deeper connection with your audience. 20. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice telling stories, the better you'll get at it. Take every opportunity to hone your skills. Those were 20 techniques to master the art of storytelling in marketing. By using these techniques effectively, you can create powerful, memorable, and engaging stories that resonate with your audience. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZ.